Hello, welcome to BMX Info Channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you important tips and settings to turn on or off your system to increase its performance. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Windows search bar and type Settings. And from Settings, select Privacy and Security. And from Privacy and Security, select Windows Security. And from there, select Device Security. And then lastly, you have to select Core Isolation. Make sure this Core Isolation is turned off if it is on in your system. And then once you click Turn Off, or once you turn off the icon there, a prompt, especially if you use your system for gaming activities, you're going to enjoy a fast gaming experience. But you have to make a choice here. If you turn this core isolation off, your system might be exposed to some threats. But at the same time, if you turn it off, you're going to enjoy a very fast gaming experience. The choice is for you to make. Which of the two alternatives? Either to enjoy a fast gaming experience or to expose your system to some threats. And then once you're done with that, go back to Privacy and Security and go to General. And you have to turn off all the information down, the first one says. Let up Show Me Personalized Ads. Make sure you turn everything off. And once you're done with that, you have to go to the left-hand side and click System, Notification, and make sure you turn notification off. If it's on your system, turn it off. And once you've turned it off, go back to Systems at the left-hand side as you did before. And this time around, select Storage. Go down and select Storage. And once you click on Storage, go down. You will see the one that says Storage Sense. Make sure it is turned off. Turn it off and also go through your local disk and see the spaces that are being occupied by different files and folders. Make sure that some of the files that you don't need, especially recycle bin, is emptied. And just follow the steps I'm, taking through here on the screen. And then make sure you remove some of the files and folders that you don't need. Again, especially the recycle bin. And your system will really be lighter and perform better. And once you're done with that, once you're done with turning off Storage Sense, you have to go back to the left-hand side and this time around you have to select Personalization. Personalization, I hope you can see that, and the head to Transparency Effects. Just down there you will see it. Transparency Effect. Click on it and make sure it is turned off. Make sure it's off, and once you are done with that, go back to the left-hand side again, and this time around select Apps. And here, you will have a view of all the installed applications that are running in your system. Some of them I bet you don't need. Some of them are no more relevant to you. Go through them and see the space. Some of them are occupying, and then make sure anyone you don't need. You just uninstall. And how do you uninstall it? Just look at the right-hand side, the dot there. Click on it and you will find Uninstall. Click on it and that will uninstall that particular application. And once you're done with that, you have to restart your system. And I bet your system is going to work like a brand new computer altogether. So that is how to go about it. Please, if any of these tips works out for you, don't fail to subscribe to this channel. Just go through the installed applications and remove some of them and restart your system.